So yesterday we covered the topic related to data sufficiency. While solving the problems related to data sufficiency, we have to find whether the given statements are sufficient or not to find the answer for the given question. So whenever they given a question followed by two or three statements, we have to find whether the given statements are sufficient or not. Only statement one alone, only statement two alone, either statement one or statement two alone, any one of the statement means either one or two, both the statements one and two together is sufficient, and the last one is both the statements one and two together is also not sufficient. Those are the options possible in data sufficiency. Right, and one of the most important topic, data interpretation. Data interpretation. In data interpretation, they given a data that can be represented. They given a data that can be represented in the form of tables, bar graphs, pie charts, or line graphs, or histograms, or in any one of the diagram. So whenever they given a diagram, that may be table, bar graph, they given 4 to 5 questions. All these questions depends on averages, ratios, and percentages. Most important one now, percentages. Clear? So data interpretation is not a separate topic, but whatever the questions they're asking in data interpretation, those depends on averages, ratios, and percentages. We don't want to use the complete topic. We don't want to use the complete topic in averages, ratios, and percentages. But for example, if they given a data that this is a table, in table contains three companies, A, comma, B, comma, C. Okay, there are 2 years are there, 2000 and 2001. So whenever there are 2 years, in 2000 the company profit A, profit is 2 crores. In 2001 the company profit is 5 crores. In 2000 the company profit is 72 crores, and year 53 crores. Okay, and year 39, 37. These are the profits of companies A, B, C in 2 different years. For example, in exam point of view, very easy topic, but the problem is with the content now. Okay, so we have to spend some time to analyze the data. There is no shortcut formulas. For example, if the given problem is related to average, what is the average profit of company A to company C? What is the average profit of company A to company C in 2000? In 2000, nothing but company A profit is in 2002, and the company C profit in 2000 is 39. Directly you may give the answer 2 by 39. For example, if they ask what is the ratio of, this is related to the ratios now, what is the ratio of the profit of A and B in 2001 and 2000 together? Nothing but A by B in both the years. In both the years is 2 plus 5, 7 in 2000 and 2001 of company A, and company B in 2000 and 2001, 72 plus 53, 125. So what is the answer? 7 by 125. 7 by 125. So that is the thing you can remember while solving the problems related to ratios in data interpretation. Second one is averages. So averages means everyone knows average is equal to sum of the observations by the number of observations. What is the average profit of A, comma B, comma C in 2000? What is the average profit of A, comma B, comma C in 2000? So nothing but 2 plus the total profit of A plus B plus C is 2 plus 72 plus 39 by the number of companies are 3. By the number of companies are 3, like that. Okay, write down. Write down. Write down. In data interpretation, they given the data that can be represented in the form of tables, bar graphs, pie charts or line graphs. Okay, or line graphs. Clear all of you? So write down. These questions depends on averages, ratios, and percentages. Averages, ratios, and percentages. Averages, ratios, and percentages. Write down your note. Point number 1. Write down your note. Point number 1. Average is equal to sum of the observations by the number of observations. Sum of the observations by the number of observations. Second point, that is the only thing you have to focus. Second point, whenever A, comma B are two quantities, whenever A, comma B are two quantities, then the ratio between A and B is A by B. Then the ratio between A and B is A by B. Third one in percentages. X is X is what percentage of Y means you didn't understand what is the meaning of X is what percentage of Y. But while solving the examples, you may get the importance of this formula. X is what percentage of Y. Okay. X by Y into X by Y into 100. X by Y into 100. What percentage of X is Y? Means Y by X into Y by X into 100. Y by X into 100. Y by X into 100. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Percentage change is equal to percentage change is equal to percentage change is equal to వాళ్ళకి ఒక మేకూర పెట్టిస్తే percentage change is equal to new value minus old value. New value minus old value new value minus old value into 100 by old value. So it means that if the new value minus old value is the positive, it means that that much of percentage is increasing. If the old value minus new value is negative value, that much of percentage is decreasing. Okay, these are the things you have to focus now. Okay, clear all of you? Okay, write down. Okay, write down. Write down the problem first of all. So write down the data. No need to write the table. So first of all, write down the questions according to this data. Write down. అలాగే చెప్పావు అమౌంట్ చెప్పలేదా ఎంత ఇవ్వంటావు అప్పుడు అడు ఫ్యాన్లు లైట్ వాళ్ళ పక్కన లైట్ కూడా బిగించారు కదా లైట్ బిగించాలి కదా చూసి తీసుకో నేను ఇస్తానులే ఇస్తాను. What are the average marks? what are the average marks obtained by what are the average marks obtained by all the 7 students in physics? What are the average marks obtained by all the 7 students in physics? Okay, second one. The number of, I will give the data to you, don't worry, ma. Okay, the number of students who obtained the number of students who obtained 60% and above marks 60% and above marks in all the subjects is 60% and above marks in all the subjects is next one. What was the aggregate of marks? What was the aggregate of marks obtained by Sajal? What was the aggregate of marks obtained by Sajal in all the 6 subjects? In all the 6 subjects. In all the 6 subjects. Okay. So first of all, read the problem clearly. What exactly they given, ma? First of all, read the problem clearly. What exactly they given? Do it fast. Okay. So what is the given data? The given data is Ayush getting how many marks in mathematics? 90? No. Remember, read the statement clearly. The following table gives the percentage of the marks. It means that in the bracket, the mathematics maximum marks are 150. In that, the Ayush getting not 90 marks, 90% marks in mathematics. Ayush getting 50% marks in chemistry, 90% marks in physics, 60% marks in geography. It means that 90% of 150 90% of 150 is 135. 90% of 150 is 135. For example, 90% of 150. Remember, this is the way you have to solve it easily. Percentage means by 100, everyone knows. In the denominator, 2 zeros and the numerator, 2 zeros are cancelled. What is the final answer? 15 9 is 135. So like that, for some of the examples, you may get the values easily. Every time it is not possible. Okay. Clear. Emma, get it? Test. So Ayush getting 50% of 150, 130, nothing but 65. 90% of 120 means 9 12 jar is 108. Sajal getting 90% of 150 means 135. 60% of 130 means 13 6 jar is 78 like that. Ma. So what is the question first of all? What are the average marks obtained by? Average means total marks by 7 subjects. Yes. So in physics, write down. In physics, Ayush getting 90% of 120, Aman getting 80% of 120 means 90% of 120 plus 80% of 120 plus 70% of 120. Which one is the common? 120 is the common. Write down. Write down. The total marks obtained by all the 7 students. Total marks obtained by all the 7 students in physics. In physics is equal to physics is equal to 120 into 120 is the common 120 into 90 percentage 120 into 90 percentage 120 into 90 percentage 120 into 90 percentage plus 80%. 120 is the common 120 into 90 percentage plus 80 percentage plus 70 percentage plus 80 percentage 70 percentage plus 80 percentage plus 85 percentage plus 65 percentage 85 percentage plus 65 percentage okay plus 50% plus 50%. What is the total, ma? What is the total? 90 plus 80 170, 170 plus 70 240, 240 plus 80 320, 320 plus 85 405, 405 plus 65 470, 470 plus 50 520. So what is the answer? 520 percentage of 520 percentage of 520 percentage of 120 is the total marks. 520 percentage of 120. 520 percentage of 120 is the total marks. By the number of subjects are 7 na? By the number of subjects are 7 na? Percentage means in the denominator 2 zeros with 2 zeros in the numerator, both are cancelled. 52 into 12 by 7. 52 into 12 by 7. How much, ma'am? 52 10 jar 520. 52 2 jar 104. Nothing but 624 by 7. 624 by 7. That is the correct answer. Do it fast, ma'am. Simplify 624 by 7. Do it fast. What is the answer from your side? Clear? So what is the answer, ma? 7, 8 are 56 out of 62. 7, 8 are 56, ma. $89.14. So approximately 89, but they clearly asked that we have to get rounded into boxes. Okay, rounded into decimal values. Next one. The students, the number of students who obtained 60% and above marks in all the subjects. 60% and above marks in all the subjects is how much? So 60% and above marks in all the subjects is nothing but here Ayush getting 90% in mathematics, chemistry 50%, physics 90%. But we need the number of students who are getting 60% and above in all the subjects now. 60% and above in all the subjects. Okay. So here, what is the total? What is the total mark? Okay. So if you observe clearly, Sajal 90% in mathematics, 60% in chemistry, 70% in physics. Sajalma 70% in geography, 90% in history, and 70% in computer science. Yes, Sajal is one student and Rohit is also getting 60% or above in all the subjects now. So total how many students are there? Two students. So total how many students now? Two students are there. Okay. Next one. Next one. Okay. Next one. Two students now. Sajal and Rohit. Next one. What was the aggregate of marks? What was the aggregate of marks obtained by Sajal? Obtained by Sajal obtained by Sajal in all the six subjects. In all the six subjects. In all the six subjects. So Sajal getting how many marks in physics? 90% of 150 means 135. Write down. Sajal getting 90% of 150 in mathematics, 135. 135. Next one. Next one. Sajal getting 60% of 130 in chemistry. 60% of 130 means 60% of 130 means 60% of 130 means 78. 78. 70% of 120 means 84. 712 are 84. 70% of 120 means 712 are 84. 712 are 84. 84. 70% of 100 in geography means 70 marks. 70% of 100 means 70 directly. Next one. 90% of 60 means 54. 90% of 60 means 54. And 70% of 40 means 7 4 are 28. 7 4 are 28. 7 4 are 28. Okay. So what is the total? 135 plus 78. How much, ma'am? 135 plus 78. How much? 213. 213 plus 84. 297. 297 plus 70. 367. 367 plus 54, 421, 421 plus 28 mark, 449, 449. Those are the average aggregate of the marks by the Sajal in all the subjects. By the Sajal in all the subjects. Okay. Okay. Next one. Write on the next data. Write on, this is related to the bar graph. No? First of all, write down what is the ratio of 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 the total sales of branch B2? What is the ratio of the total sales of branch B2 for both the years? For both the years, for both the years, to the total sales of branch B4, to the total sales of branch B4, to the total sales of branch B4 for both the years, to the total sales of branch B4 for both the years. Okay. So next one, total sales of branch B6, total sales of branch B6 for both the years is total sales of branch B6 for both the years is what percentage of the total sales of what percentage of the total sales of branches B3, branches B3, branches B3 for both the years. So if it is the online offline class, then for this topic we want to give the handouts. Next one. What percentage of what percentage of what percentage of what percentage of average sales of branches, average sales of branches B1, B2 and B3, B1, B2 and B3 B1, B2 and B3 is the average sales of branches is the average sales of branches B1, B3 and B6, B1, B3 and B6 in 2000. In 2000. Okay. So these questions are related to the given bar graph. Write down ma, what exactly the given graph, the bar graph is what? So the following bar graph representing the sales of the books of the different branches. The sales of the book of the different branches. Okay. Read the problem clearly, ma. So here, what is the first question, ma? Here, the following bar graph representing that for branch B1, blue color representing 2000 and red color representing 2001. The sales of the branch B1 in 2000 is the sales of branch B1 in 2000 is 80 lakhs or 80,000. In 2001, the sales of the branch B1 is 105. B2 is 75 and B2 in 2001 is 65 like that. So there is no problem with zeros because all are thousands only. Okay. But what is the given question? The given question is what is the ratio of the sales of branch B2 for both the years. Okay. B2 for both the years is 75 plus 65. B2 for both the years is 75 plus 65. 75 plus 65 is how much? 75 plus 65 is 140. 140 to the total sales of branch B4 for both the years. Branch B4 for both the years is how much? Branch B4 for both the years is 84, 85 plus 95. 85 plus 95. 85 plus 95. You have to find the ratio between branch B2 to branch B4 for both the years. So indirectly, you have to find the ratio between 140 to the 180. Nothing but 14 by 18. 14 by 18. 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Okay, next one. Total sales of branch B6 for both the years. Total sales of branch B6 for both the years. Total sales of branch B6 for both the years is what percentage? So B6 for both the years is how much? So B6 for both the years is 70 plus 80, 150. B6 for both the years is 70 plus 80, 150. Okay, what is the question now? What percentage of the total sales of B3 for both the years? B3 for both the years. So B3 for both the years is how much? B3 for both the years is 95 plus 110. 95 plus 110. Nothing but 95 plus 110. Nothing but 95 plus 110. 205. Okay. So B6 for both the years is 150. Is what percentage of the total sales of B3 for both the years is 205. Nothing but 150 is what percentage of 205 Ena? Is it look like X is what percentage of Y? What is your answer? X is what percentage of Y means? X by Y into 100. X by Y into 100. X by Y into 100. Clear? So what is your answer? Do it fast. So X is what percentage of Y means X by Y. What percentage of X is Y means Y by X. Both are different. Please understand the statement. Okay. Next one. Next one. So what is your answer, ma? 150 by 205 into 100. Next one. What percentage of the average sales of branches B1, B2, B3 in 2001? Okay, so B1, B2, B3. What is the total sales? First of all, in 2001, B1, B2, B3 in 2001 means red color. 105 plus 65 plus 110. 105 plus 65 is how much? 170. 170 plus 110. 280 is the total sales. 280 is the total sales. So whenever 280 is the total sales, whenever 280 is the total sales, average means 280 by 3 nena. Average means 280 by 3 is the average sales of B1, B2, B3 in 2001. And B1, B3, B6, B1, B3, B6 in 2000. B1, B3, B6 now. B1 in 2000 is 80, B3 in 2000 is 95, B6 in 2000 is 70. So 80 plus 95, 175, 175 plus 70, 245. So 245 is the total sales of B1, B3, B6 in 2000. But the average is nothing but 245 by 3. So what is the question here? What percentage of, I don't know what is that, that is the reason X ma, X percentage of 2 B1, B2, B3, 280 by 3 is 245 by 3. Is it look like what percentage of X is Y? What percentage of X is Y na? Right hand side and left hand side both 3s are cancelled. What percentage of X is Y means Y by X 245 by 280, 245 by 280 into 100, 245 by 280 into 100. Okay, do it fast ma. Okay, .5%, 87.5%. Okay, next one, next model. This is the pie chart ma. Okay, looks like circle. Write down questions first of all. If for a certain quantity of books, if for a certain quantity of books, if for a certain quantity of books, certain quantity of books, the publisher has to pay, the publisher has to pay 30,600 rupees, 30,600 rupees as printing cost. As printing cost. As printing cost. Then what will be the amount of royalty? Then what will be the amount of royalty To be paid for these books. To be paid for these books. To be paid for these books. Okay. All of you noted down? Say sir, no, all of you noted down. Yes, next one. What is the central angle of the sector? What is the central angle of the sector? What is the central angle of the sector? Corresponding for the expenditure. Corresponding for the expenditure. Corresponding for the expenditure. Incurred on royalty. Incurred on royalty. Incurred on royalty. Okay, next one. The price of the book is marked. The price of the book is marked. The price of the book is marked. The price of the book is marked 20% above the CP. 20% above the CP. 20% above the CP. %20% above the CP. If the market price of the book is 180, if the market price of the book is 180, if the market price of the book is 180, then what is the cost of the paper? Then what is the cost of the paper used in a single copy of a book? Used in a single copy of a book. Okay. So how to solve this type of questions related to the pie chart is, whenever they given the pie chart, we need to focus. This is looks like circle. The total angle in a circle is always 360 degrees. Whenever the circle is divided into 2 parts or 3 parts or 4 parts or 5 parts, each part is one sector. This is one sector now. Okay, this is one more sector. This is one more sector. This is one more sector, like that. For every part is one sector. Whenever it is a circle, the total angle is 360 degrees, and in terms of percentage, it is equal to 100%. It is equal to what? 100%. Whenever it is equal to 100%, 2 minutes ma, I will close the session. It is equal to 100%. 360 is equal to 100%. 50% is equal to 180 degrees, like that. Okay. So for example, if the paper cost is 25 rupees, transportation cost is 10 rupees. whenever the price of the book is 100. Whenever the price of the book is 200, the paper cost is 25% of 200. The percentage never change. The value may change. Okay, but here, what is the given question? 30,600 rupees as a printing cost. 30,600 rupees as a printing cost. For the same number of books, what is the amount of royalty? Nothing but the printing cost is 20% and royalty cost is 15%. Get it off you. For the same amount of books, printing cost is 25%. That is equal to 30,600. He has to pay. But we need to find the amount of royalty for the same amount of books is 15% is equal to what? Did you know how to solve it, ma? Cross multiplication. 15 into 30,600 by 20%. Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast, ma. Okay. Do it fast. So do it fast, ma. 15 into 30,600 by 20. Okay. So up to that, any doubts? Next one. What is the central angle of the sector corresponding to the expenditure incurred on royalty? Incurred on royalty. Royalty is one sector, ena? Whenever the royalty is one sector, what is the total percentage in pie chart? 100%. 100% is equal to 360 degrees. Then 15% is equal to what? 100% is equal to 360. Then 15% is equal to what? Do it fast, ma. 100% is equal to 360. Then 15% is equal to what? That is the amount of royalty, the central angle. Sorry. So you have to find EO. What is the value? 15% is equal to what? 15 into 360 by 100. 15 into 360 by 100. Okay. Next one. The price of the book is marked in profit and loss. We already explained this model. the price of the book is marked 20% above the CP, 20% above the CP, 20% above the CP. If the market price of the book is 180 rupees, if the market price of the book is 180 rupees, if the market price of the book is 180 rupees, okay, so you have to find the cost of the paper. The percentage is same to prepare one book or two books or 10 books. Okay, so whenever the price of the book is marked 20% above the CP, means market price is 120% of CP, 120% of CP. Always you have to find the expenditure is on CP only. They clearly given that the market price is 180. Whenever the market price is 180, is it possible to find the CP value first of all? So 180 is equal to 120% of CP. Do it fast, ma. First of all, find the CP value. First of all, find the CP value. Everyone, please use the pen to get the calculation properly. $150. Yes. So 150 is CP, ma'am. 150 is CP. Whenever the CP is 150, paper cost. What is the paper cost actually? In pie chart, what is the paper cost? 25%, na? Yes, the paper cost green color is 25%. We have to find to prepare one book 150 rupees. On 150, what is the paper cost? You have to find the paper cost is 25% of 150. Do it fast. Any doubt up to that? Any doubt up to that? Okay, so 37.5 rupees. Any doubt, Maswaradi, up to that? Vinay, 37.5. Hope all of you understood. That is about data interpretation. Okay, so most important topic for most of the companies like Infosys, recently in Emphasis, Ramcat related also they may focus, but be careful. And in Emphasis, they may give 2 to 3 marks, but in Infosys, they may give 5 marks. Okay, clear all of you? Thank you, ma. Thank you all.